scrotum here. The raphe is just a, it's actually, there's it's two separate compartments that are divided right down the middle by this thing called the median raphe, which actually extends up to the penis also. It's not really important from your point of view. From a clinical point of view, it is important because when you operate on a testicle, you can go into the median raphe and actually separate the two scrotal compartments and then go into whichever one you need to. Anyhow, this is the testicle. This is the head of the epididymis here. It's a different view, so we don't see the rest of the epididymis. The epididymis comes laterally, but sort of posterolaterally. So if you're looking from the front, you don't see the mid part of the tail of the epididymis. But all that's happening back there, and then coming out of the epididymis is the ductus deferens or vas deferens. These are blood vessels and nerves. This whole collection of vas deferens, blood vessels, nerves, lymphatics is known as the spermatic cord. Spermatic cord. So the spermatic cord kind of connects the testicle with the rest of the body. When the blood vessels from the spermatic cord, the artery and the vein, well, the vein goes back up this way. The ductus deferens, as you can kind of see, curves inwards and goes down to where we saw it before, towards the bladder. And the layers of the scrotum you don't need to know. And that's all for that. Oh, and just from again, a little anatomical point of view, this is called the superficial inguinal ring. The spermatic cord goes through this. There's also the superficial inguinal ring, sometimes external inguinal ring, and then there's an internal one. This is important because actually this is where hernias usually pop out, right through this superficial inguinal ring. Okay. Yeah.
Where can we find that material to study? That's not in our book.
You can't. But I mean, it's the same structures, just from a different